Fun time with DissiNotRA.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel if you're new, welcome back if you've been here before. Back at it with mini singing tips by DsiTECH. Today, a question that a lot of singers have, or to be more exact, a big problem that a lot of singers have, including me back in the days, or on some days when I'm really tired and my chest voice is not able to do what it's supposed to do. And the big question is, why do we sometimes get so extremely sore when we sing? And you might be surprised, but the answer is actually really simple. The reason you get sore is because of something that I call excessive airflow. Go and watch episode 19, the 2 most important things every singer should know. There I get really detailed into the matter and I actually explained everything in that video already. But since one of my beautiful subscribers has asked me that in the comments, I obviously have to fulfill my duty. Oh, my fridge is in the house again. If you watch my videos, you know that my fridge is very needy for attention and he really wants to be in the video very bad. Shush, friend, shush. You've already been in the video. I made a whole beat on you in the other video. So, I'm gonna explain this really short. Excessive airflow is something that sounds like this. And as usual, I'm going to make an extreme example. A lot of excessive airflow. Oh, no excessive airflow. Oh, hey, yeah, hey, yeah. So this is actually already the answer. Now, I always say the same thing. Even if you have no idea about vocal apparatus positioning or any vocal exercises, just know one thing. Excessive airflow is your biggest enemy. And as I explained in the other video, if you at least focus on really pressing your vocal cords together to avoid excessive airflow, you already won half of the battle. If you really focus on that with all of your attention on this area, you could almost just by logic understand how vocal warm-ups and exercises actually are supposed to be sung, done, to not damage your vocal cords. Basically, to not get sore. That's already it. Again, please watch the other video where I go into way more details about the manner. And if you have any questions or requests, as always, let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to check the links. There's awesome stuff to discover. And as usual, much love to everyone. Stay focused and have a blessed now. Mwah.